Anong mas okay na internet kapag nasa Taiwan? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. May two common options ka dito sa Taiwan. The first is eSIM, kaya lang hindi lahat ng mobile device ay compatible dito. Second is pocket wifi. Ito yung most recommended ko, lalo na if you're traveling with a group or with your family. Dahil una, pwede mong i-share yung data. Second, meron separate device kaya hindi mabilis malulobat ang mobile phone mo. And based on my experience, okay na okay naman ang internet. Mas preferred ko pa nga itong gamitin kesa sa internet ng hotel namin. We went to Taipei, North Coast, Taichung, at wala naman kaming naging problema. Kaya kung naka-work from home ka or you're planning to work pa rin dito sa Taiwan, okay na okay ang internet speed. However, yung battery life can last up to 4 hours of continuous use. Pero kung ito-turn off nyo naman siya in between katulad ng ginagawa ko, kaya niyang tumagal ng buong maghapon. Pero to be sure, mas okay na rin na may dala kayong extra power bank. Kasi kapag nasa abroad tayo, kailangan talaga natin ng internet, lalo na kung gumagamit kayo ng Google Map and Google Translate. Bali, upon arrival, pipick upin mo lang siya sa booth ng Unite Traveler. Wala ka nang need i-set up kasi ready to use na siya. And upon departure, isasauli mo lang din siya sa same booth. In case na maabutan mo silang sarado na, meron naman silang 24/7 na drop-off box. By the way, ito yung mga available pick-up and drop-off point here in Taiwan. And will cost you 172 pesos per day only. At para less hassle, mag-book na sa Klook and use my discount code TripTiKlook for 5% discount. And for more budget-friendly family travels, don't forget to follow me.